Hey everyone, so here's our new online SAT and ACT course. As you can see here, you're going to have the option when you purchase this course to choose between either the SAT or you could simply click on the ACT depending upon what you want to prep for. You'll see here all the weeks, so we kind of outline it. Here's some warm-ups that you can go through. We have week 2, week 3, kind of outlining what you should be doing each week. And you'll see there's a lot of material here. It's a 20-week course in this case, as well as if you would like, you can take some evaluation tests, lessons individually. You can simply click on any of those. If I wanted to do some more math lessons, I can go through this and get some scores and work on individual topics that I know I might be struggling with. But if we go home, just so you can kind of see an idea of what goes on here, let's say I wanted to do a reading warm-up. I could listen to the audio file in this case, read through this, welcome to the Beyond the Test app, yada, yada, yada. And once you're ready to begin, you just simply click, okay, I've read this lesson and I understand it, and I'm going to go ahead and begin. So it'll give us a little passage here for the reading section. You can expand that passage by simply clicking on this button up here. And then they're going to ask you the question. The passage as a whole suggests that the seminar mentioned in the last sentence probably focused on which, and you choose your answer and submit it. Now in this case, I happen to click on the correct answer, so I am correct. The answer is B here. Now if you would still like though, you can still watch the video explanation. Whether you get the question correct or incorrect, you can still watch a video explanation. You can listen to the audio file, or you could simply just read a little bit about the explanation down here below. If you go ahead and click on the audio file, you'll hear this, okay, which will tell you what's going on. So I'm just going to mute this for a second. But again, the video will go through why this answer is correct and why you might want to choose that as your answer as opposed to the other ones. And then when you're ready, you just simply go to the next question here and you'll try out this passage and what you think. Again, you could just select an answer, click submit. And again, I've gotten the correct answer, but again, you can watch the video here. Okay, and you can also view your results at any point. Let's just go one more question. Oh, that was the warm-up. Okay, so let's view the results here, how we did with this. Okay, great. You scored 2 out of 2. The date and time that you took it will be displayed there, and it's all ready to go. You can view or print your results, or you can simply just go back and continue on your way here. Okay, so now it's going to check off that, hey, we did the reading warm-up, we're ready to go on. So these are all kind of evaluations. They're going to show you where you are at right now. We're going to talk about these different things here. You can click on a math lesson, plugging in numbers, also known as the substitution method, and they'll give us examples here. So here's going to be the lesson. We'll go through the lesson, read all of this. It explains that. So once you've read the lesson, you simply check off that you've read the lesson here, and then you can go ahead and begin a quiz to test out your knowledge and what you retained from the lesson. So as you can see, this lesson here, we have 5 questions, and you can go through them. So I might just take a guess on this one and say it's that. And the answer I submitted was wrong. The correct answer should have been E in that case. Oh, well, what went wrong here? Well, I don't know. You can read through the description of what went wrong, or simply watch the video. And again, I'm going to mute this, but you'll see, an explanation of how to do this problem here appear on the screen. And obviously now this kind of allows you to work at your own pace. You can kind of go through it. You have access to both the SAT and the ACT as well. So they also have a lot of different resource materials, things that you might want to use, review packets, things like that. Full-length exams, you can find those on here. If you just go ahead and click and you want to practice through a whole thing, you can go ahead and start a test with that. It will give you the score, the breakdown, everything. So if you're interested in signing up for this online course, please go ahead and contact us at our phone number, or you can email us. The phone number is 856-240-0728, or you can shoot us an email at beyondthetest.com. At beyondthetest@gmail.com, sorry. And we'd be happy to go ahead and get you started. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.